Welcome to Realty Solutions, your partner in real estate success. We understand that taking the first step can feel daunting, especially in a field as dynamic as real estate. At Realty Solutions, we believe everyone deserves the opportunity to build wealth and achieve financial freedom through real estate. Whether you're a complete novice or have dabbled in real estate, this comprehensive guide will equip you with the tools to start and grow a successful real estate investing group. We'll walk you through defining your group's purpose, assembling a team, navigating legal considerations, and much more. Let's turn your real estate dreams into a tangible reality. You might be wondering, why join forces with others in a real estate investing group? The answer is simple: synergy. When like-minded individuals pool their resources, knowledge, and networks, the results can be exponential. A group offers a wider pool of capital, allowing access to larger and potentially more lucrative deals. A diverse group brings a broader range of skills and perspectives to the table. This synergy leads to more informed decisions and reduced risks. Sharing experiences, brainstorming solutions, and celebrating successes together make the journey more enjoyable and rewarding. Starting a real estate investing group offers a multitude of benefits, from increased buying power to shared expertise and a supportive community. By collaborating, you can unlock opportunities that might not be accessible individually, ultimately accelerating your path to financial success in the real estate market. Before diving headfirst into the world of real estate investing, it's crucial to establish a clear direction for your group. Defining your mission and goals is akin to setting the compass for your investment journey. Start by asking yourselves, what kind of impact do you want to make through real estate? Are you passionate about revitalizing distressed properties in your community? Or perhaps your focus lies in providing affordable housing options. Once you've identified your group's overarching purpose, translate that into concrete goals. Defining your mission and goals provides a shared understanding among group members, fostering a sense of purpose and unity. Remember, a well-defined mission and clear goals are the cornerstones of a successful real estate investing group. In the realm of real estate investing, teamwork truly makes the dream work. Assembling a skilled and diverse team is paramount to your group's success. Seek out individuals with a genuine passion for real estate. Look for individuals who are eager to learn, grow, and contribute their strengths to the team. Prioritize diversity in skills and experience, including backgrounds in finance, law, construction, property management, or marketing. When building your team, prioritize open communication, mutual respect, and a shared commitment to your group's mission and goals. A strong team is built on trust, collaboration, and a shared vision for success. By carefully selecting members who complement each other's strengths and fill in knowledge gaps, you create a powerhouse team equipped to tackle the challenges and capitalize on the opportunities that the real estate market presents. The legal foundation: establishing structure and seeking counsel. Navigating the legal landscape of real estate investing is crucial to protect your group's interests and ensure long-term success. The first step involves choosing the right legal structure for your group. Options include partnerships, limited liability companies, or corporations. Consulting with an experienced real estate attorney is paramount. An attorney can guide you through the intricacies of each legal structure, helping you choose the one that aligns best with your group's size, scope, and long-term goals. Beyond choosing a structure, your attorney can advise on compliance with state and federal regulations, drafting contracts, and navigating potential legal issues that might arise during property acquisition or management. Establishing a sound legal structure is a vital investment in your group's future, providing a safety net and peace of mind as you embark on your real estate investing journey. Charting your course: the importance of a solid business plan. A well-crafted business plan serves as a roadmap, outlining your investment strategies, financial projections, and operational framework. Start by defining your target market. Identify your ideal properties and analyze market trends to pinpoint lucrative opportunities. Outline your investment strategies, detailing your criteria for selecting properties, including location, potential return on investment, and renovation costs. Your business plan should also include a thorough financial analysis. Project your income, expenses, cash flow, and anticipated returns on investment. This section is crucial for attracting potential investors and securing financing. Define roles and responsibilities within the group, establish communication protocols, and set clear expectations for performance and accountability. A comprehensive business plan is a living document that evolves as your group grows and the market shifts. fueling your venture's exploring financing options. Securing adequate funding is the lifeblood of any real estate investment venture. Various financing options are available to real estate investing groups, each with its own advantages and considerations. Traditional bank loans are a common route requiring a solid business plan, detailed financial projections, and a strong credit history. Private lenders, such as individuals or investment firms, offer another avenue, though interest rates can be higher. Hard money loans are short-term loans secured by the property itself, suitable for quick flips or renovations, but often come with higher interest rates and fees. Joint ventures involve partnering with another individual or group to pool resources and share both the risks and rewards of an investment. Crowdfunding platforms have emerged as a viable option, allowing groups to raise capital from multiple investors online. Carefully research and compare different financing options to determine the best fit for your group's financial situation, risk tolerance, and investment strategy. Securing the right financing is crucial for bringing your real estate investment dreams to fruition. Due diligence, the cornerstone of smart investing. In the world of real estate investing, knowledge is power, and thorough due diligence is the key to unlocking that power. Due diligence involves conducting comprehensive research and analysis on potential investment properties to mitigate risks and maximize returns. Start by obtaining a detailed property inspection report from a qualified professional. This report will highlight any structural issues, potential repairs, or hidden problems that could impact the property's value or require significant financial outlay. Examine the property's financial history, reviewing rent rolls, expense reports, and tax records to assess its income-generating potential, operating expenses, and overall financial health. Research the neighborhood thoroughly, analyzing crime rates, school districts, proximity to amenities, and future development plans. Investigate the legal aspects, examining title documents, zoning regulations, and any existing liens or encumbrances on the property. This step ensures a clear and marketable title, preventing potential legal headaches down the line. Thorough due diligence empowers your group to make informed investment decisions. By uncovering hidden risks and verifying the accuracy of information, you can avoid costly mistakes and position yourselves for greater success in the real estate market. Open communication, the lifeblood of a successful group. Effective communication is the lifeblood of any successful real estate investing group. Maintaining open, transparent, and consistent communication channels is paramount to fostering trust, facilitating collaboration, and ensuring everyone is on the same page. Establish clear communication protocols from the outset. Determine the frequency and format of group meetings, whether in person, via video conference, or through a combination of methods. Utilize technology to your advantage, using project management tools, shared online calendars, and instant messaging platforms to streamline communication. Foster a culture of open dialogue and active listening, encouraging group members to freely share their ideas, concerns, and feedback without fear of judgment. Transparency is key, keeping all members informed about the group's financial status, investment decisions, and any challenges or successes encountered along the way. Regular communication ensures that everyone is working towards common goals, minimizes misunderstandings, and fosters a strong sense of camaraderie and shared purpose within the group. Open communication is the foundation of a successful real estate investing group. Staying ahead of the curve, continuous education in real estate. The real estate market is constantly evolving, influenced by economic fluctuations, government policies, and emerging trends. To thrive in this dynamic landscape, continuous education is essential for any real estate investing group. Stay abreast of market trends by subscribing to industry publications, attending real estate conferences, and following reputable real estate blogs and podcasts. Network with other real estate investors, agents, and industry professionals to gain valuable insights, share experiences, and expand your network. Seek out mentorship opportunities, connecting with seasoned investors for invaluable guidance and practical advice. Consider pursuing relevant certifications or continuing education courses to deepen your understanding of specific areas like property management, real estate law, or financial analysis. By staying curious, seeking out knowledge, and adapting to market changes, you can position your real estate investing group for long-term success. Ready, set, invest, building your real estate legacy. Congratulations on embarking on this exciting journey into the world of real estate investing. By now, you're equipped with the knowledge and tools to start and grow a successful real estate investing group. Remember, building a real estate legacy takes time, effort, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth and celebrate your successes along the way. Don't be afraid to start small and scale gradually. Gain experience with smaller investments before diving into larger projects. Surround yourself with a supportive community, connecting with other investors and seeking out mentors. Most importantly, never stop learning and growing. Now, go out there and turn your real estate dreams into a tangible reality. With dedication, teamwork, and a passion for success, your real estate investing group can achieve remarkable things.